Today we're making drill. Recently I have released a sample pack called Amethyst, and we will be using this sample pack to create a drill track. No, that's a dumb idea. Should we make like Harry Potter drill? I think I heard it somewhere. We get drill drum loops, we get perk loops, we get top loops, anything, bro. This is such a vibe, bro. Hell yeah. It's like how about like look at that. That is so good. Double that. There's some stuff in ambiances. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have this also sound. So I'm gonna just reverse this. So that's gonna lead to this fill. Check this out. Go and do this, then clip transposition. I'm just gonna pitch it down. Okay, that's cool. Some reverb to fill these gaps. We can actually automate the drive. Let's see what it's gonna sound like. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. We like to, for like some movement, so we can slap utility on this guy, make this volume rise here, or actually on this one maybe. Yeah, I don't like the snare here. It's like really piercing. It doesn't fit this. So now let's find some snares. You know, I usually use this for dubstep, but it can work for this as well. It works big time. We need the gain automation because, as you can hear, this is like just bringing all the noise. Quiet. Infiltrator. Headache. Hell yeah. That is sick. Here. That's cool. Okay, the question is, should I put some vocals on it?
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he cracked that. In and out of dolo when a new match. To the boys were on him and he crashed that. Till they came back.
That actually works. You know what, I'm actually gonna redesign the kicks.
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he cracked that. In and out of dolo when a new match.
Okay, take this.
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he cracked that. In and out of dolo. Flashback, thought you flashback, thought you flashback.
This one's cool. Now question, this one or this one? Which is better?
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he flashback, thought you got mad, then he cracked that.
Oh, this one for sure. Oh, for sure.
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he cracked that.
So we need to add some fills before we go any further. What I like to do is like to pick a percussion loop, put them and like chop them up in crucial places. Like here maybe, like just cut that part, put it here.
Flashback, thought you got
right, that's pretty cool.
To the Adolo when a new.
This one doesn't work, but let's see another one. Oh, that's cool.
I could be anywhere feeling all.
Part is cool. We can reverse this.
All of that one pack. I could be anywhere.
I think that's it when it comes to percussions. I'm just gonna check the rest of them. Maybe like put this here.
Then he crack that. Then he crack.
It's like a supporting layer. Okay, so that's the whole loop of drums. Yeah. So there's a change up and it's right here. So we will leave only... I think we can do this. So there are also gunshots. They're really cool. Duplicate that.
Like,
and we have this impact.
I'm like,
there we go. I can actually put the kick here. Because there's no 808, I think that's gonna be enough.
to the game when the head is so mad that I'm like,
Yeah, this melody has to be different. This melody is not in a Harry Potter style. Do, 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 do. Harry Potter drill. There will be no snare right here. And there will be only one kick.
mad that I'm like,
That is so good. I'm just gonna go and stretch this like that. Leave this part, but stretch this one and do that repitch. That's gonna pitch it 1 octave down. That's good, but as you can see, the tone changed. Like too many of these frequencies. Like it is supposed to be dark, but not that it's so piercing. So I'm just gonna automate the scale. It's gonna be 100%. There's gonna be 0 here, and it'll go down to 0 right here. For some variations, so it's not that repetitive, like we can introduce different sweep. Oh, there has to be some sort of like a crash. Yes, but with utility, we do something like this. Oh, this is sick though. Shifter, it's like too dark.
man, I don't act like heads off, yeah, all of that one pack. I could be anywhere, feeling alright. To the game when the head is so mad that I'm.
Can I like tip it? Do you do tip it in drill? Is this allowed? Oh, I have idea. I have a really good idea. Imagine flute. I don't know which one. We'll figure it out. Oh. Oh, yes. How about that? Hell yeah. Okay, we need drill raps. Try this one.
I'm like, it's on the sleeve, hitting that and we riding wave. I'm trying to do my shit and get my people paid.
Bro, what are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Okay, so I've frozen this. Do this. And go repitch.
Flashback, thought you got mad.
What type of bass sounds do you do for drill? Is this allowed? I have to tease this. Here we can open this sound. Be like dun 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 dun. A little bit of a transition.
It's on the sleeve, hitting that and we riding wave.
I think there's no sidechain for some reason. What's happening? I'm playing the wrong keys. C1. Oh yeah, okay. Cool. So now we have 2 sidechain.
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he crack that. In and out of dolo in a new mad. Flashback, thought you got mad, then he crack that.
This is white noise here and that works really good as a layer. Bro, why is this so many times you're playing? Once. I need it once.
One things that's making it change.
How about I put like something from Harry Potter? Oh.
You're a wizard, Harry. Flashback, thought you got mad, then he crack that. In and out of dolo in a new.
Bruh.
You're a wizard, Harry. Flashback, before you got.
You've made a mistake. I mean, I can't be a wizard. Can't be a wizard.
Oh, hold on a second. There's this trick that you can... I'm just gonna reverse this. I'm gonna freeze it. What I think it's gonna do is we're gonna get like a nice tail, and then we're gonna reverse again, and just gonna lead to a certain word. So if I just drag this here and reverse. Yes.
You've made a mistake. I mean, I can't be a wizard.
Yes.
I can't be a wizard. I mean, I'm just...
Do the same thing here.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Trying to do my shit and get my people paid. I'm trying to keep you on my head on that shit that's tailor-made. But
Ooh, the lower one is so good.
flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that.
Oh. I resample, and people are asking me why I resample, because it looks cool. I like to see the waveform, which is...
Then he didn't crack that. In and out, I don't know when a new man's.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, Harry Potter drill. Let's take a listen. Harry Potter drill.
You've made a mistake. I mean, I can't be a wizard. I mean, I'm just Harry. Just Harry.
Well, you're a wizard, Harry. Flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that. In and out, I don't know when a new man's. To the boys were on him and he crashed that. Till they came back, man, I don't act like. Heads off, yeah, all of that one pack. I could be anywhere feeling alright. Till the game on the head is so mad. I'm like. Hitting out and we riding wave. I'm trying to do my shit and get my people paid. I'm trying to keep you on my head on that shit that's tailor-made. But even though I know God's throwing things that's making it change.
I'm a what?
A wizard. And a thumping good one, I'd wager. Once you trade up a little.
No, you've made a mistake. I mean, I'm just Harry.
Hell yeah.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that. In and out, I don't know when a new man's. To the boys were on him and he crashed that. Till they came back. Flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that. In and out, I don't know when a new man's. To the boys were.
You're a wizard.
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that. And then I don't know when a new man's. To the boys were.
A quick one now, but yeah, sick as hell. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this Harry Potter drill, and hope you did too. Check out Amethyst, bro, look at the artwork. It's so cool. You can get a free teaser. You can get these sounds for free. You can preview them right here. Even if you don't purchase, just appreciate the animations. So good. Look at that. And stop telling me that drill is rotating in the wrong way. I know, and I don't care. Lots of good stuff here. Lots of one-shots, lots of loops. Everything is royalty free. Everything is wave 24-bit. If you get the pack, enjoy. It's really clean, it's really crispy. I pick only sounds that have a certain quality level, and these sounds are fucking amazing. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think. Was this drill? Was it not drill? I think in some way it was drill, but then like turned into the Harry Potter thing, and I added a Reese bass and then the vocal. I think that was still kind of drill. What should I do next? What genre should I do next? Let me know in the comments. Check out the pack and have a great day. Just have it and watch Harry Potter. It's an amazing movie.